ko na magbabike ulit ngayong araw to, Sunday. Ano pa ngayon? September 17. Ayan. Dala ko si Santa Cruz na Green. Ang pupuntahan ko ngayon ay sa Aling Nena sa Kulong 1 at mag-fishing ako. Ito dala kong gamit. Ayan. So, ito lang yung pang fishing ko, nabili ko sa Shopee. Ito, ayan. So, try nating manghuli ng isda ngayon. Balitaan ko kayo pag nandun na ako mamaya ulit. So, mamaya ulit guys. At tagpuin ko nga pala yung pare ko to sa Aling Nena sa Kulong 1, si Paring Gaton. Paring Gaton, tayo mo ako dyan, papunta na ako. Time check, 8:01. Nandito na ako sa may Dampalet. Lagpas na ng Dampalet, papasok na tayo ng Pangulo. So, diretso pa rin tayo papuntang Kulong. Yan, ito nga pala yung ano dito. Ayan guys, meron yata yung kalaban. Oh no! Pucho! Good dog! Maraming kawayan dito. Kung gusto nyo bumili ng kawayan dito, maraming kawayan. Ito yung Dampalit Cockpit Arena. Alagpas na natin yan. Dito may mga namimingwit na rin dito, pero hindi tayo dito sa Kulong tayo mamimingwit. Kaya pwede na rin mamingwit dyan, oh. Ayan sila. So, ayan dito. May mga namimingwit na rin dito, pwede na rin mamingwit. Dito sa spot na to. Pero hindi tayo dyan mamimingwit. Doon tayo sa Valenzuela. Yan sila. Ganda na pala kalsada rito dati. Lubak-lubak. Tagal na rin ako hindi nakakadaan dito sa Singa. Matagal na ako hindi nakakapadyak simula nung na-aksidente ako guys. Nabangga ako ng motor. Itong way na to puntang Arkong Bato. Dire-diretsoin nyo lang to galing Dampalit. Ang labas nyo ay Arkong Bato, Valenzuela, Pulo, Arkong Bato, yun. Hindi kabila pala yung Valenzuela, sa tawid pala yun. So maganda na yung kalsada rito guys, so update ko lang kayo. Hindi na siya binabaha. Hindi nyo na malulusong yung bisikleta nyo. Dati kasi nilulusong na yung bisikleta namin dito pag high tide. Ayan, masarap mag-practice ito, mag-bike tsaka mag-jogging sa umaga. So kikitain natin yung mga kumpare ko sa Kulong 1 para mamingwit. So update ko na lang ulit kayo mamaya guys. Nasa Arkong Bato na tayo. Kaya kakaliwa tayo papuntang Polo, kaliwa. Ito papuntang Tatawid sa kanan. So kakaliwa tayo. Punta tayo ng Polo. Arkong Bato na to guys. Ayan. Kung bato yan. Tapos dito yung Valenzuela Park sa kanan. Tayo sa may Arkong Bato. So didiretso tayo para sa Polo, tapos sa kanan tayo papuntang Kulong. 6, 8, 10 AM. Nandiyan ako sa kabisera ng Polo Valenzuela. Ito yung Polo Hospital. Polo Church dito. sila. Ayan. So, papasok na tayo ng Valenzuela guys. 8:10 AM. Medyo ingat-ingat lang kasi maraming dito, maraming sasakyan. Saka mga alam mo na, mga pasaway na ano. Hindi na magbabanggit pero ingat tayo dito kasi traffic din kasi dito guys. Tulad yan. Paakyat dyan, traffic. So mga bikers, pag pupunta ng MacArthur Highway papuntang Pilipina Arena o kaya papuntang Mekawayan, dito sila nagdadaan yung mga taga Nabotas, Malabon. Shortcut na to, pinaka-shortcut na to papuntang MacArthur Highway. So ayun muna. Papapa ko muna tong phone natin kasi nagmamaneho tayo ng bike. Huwag tayong, lalo na pagka wala tayong cellphone holder sa bike natin, huwag tayong nagsi-cellphone habang nagmamaneho guys. So papunta na tayo sa Kulong, mimit natin yung mga kaibigan natin, mga taga ng Botas. So mamaya ulit pag nasa Kulong na-update ko kayo. Ayun guys, 8:15 dito na tayo sa Kulong 1. Nakita mo itong arko na to. Yan, galing Polo. Kakaliwa kayo, papasok kayo dito sa skilito na to. Yan, yung island na yan. Nakita nyo yan, kaliwa na kayo. Pasok. So hanapin natin ngayon yung Aling Nena. Handang dulo daw. Pasukin natin yan. Kulong 1. Ayan, wala kasi akong cellphone holder ngayon, nasira. So, nahawakan ko lang yung cellphone natin. Tatanong-tanong lang tayo ito kasi yung Aling Nena. Ang dulo daw yung guys. So, pumuna kasi hindi ako makapag-ayos ng ride ng bike. Malikot kasi itong bike na ito. Maya na ulit guys. Ito na ako sa Kulong ngayon. Kaso nag-change plan kami. Yung imi-meet up natin. Change plan. Pupunta raw ng Tagalog. Wala daw kasi gaanong isda dito. So, babalik ako ng Tagalog. Tapusin ko na ito soft drinks. Tapos, diretso na ako ng Tagalog. Kaya doon kasi lang mahuling isda rito sa Kulong eh. Yun, makapasok na yung Tagalog ngayon. Update ko kayo pag nasa Tagalog na ako. So yun, lumipat tayo ng Tagalog guys. Tayo sa Bisig, Tagalog. Hihintay ko yung isang kaibigan natin dito, naliligaw, hindi niya raw alam yung Tagalog. So, hintayin natin siya dito, doon Tagalog. Ito na yan, maya-maya. Naku, na traffic pa yata. Traffic na. Nandito tayo sa Tagalog, nakita natin isang kaibigan natin. Ayan si Coco Martin. Ay, hindi siya naangat, waligsilan to. Sige. Pinaligo ko. Order mo? Oo. Wish you good morning from the side. Wala pang taga ako. Wala, naka ano yan.
Smile that you're born with. Oh my love, I got a real good feeling I can finally trust. It's like the whole sky opened up, gave me a real good reason to enjoy it because I got a real good feeling, yeah, things are looking up. I got a real good feeling that things are looking up. I got a real good feeling that things are looking up. Real good, real good, real good feeling. I got a real good, real good, real good feeling. I got a real good, real good, real good feeling. I got a real good, real good, real good feeling. I got a real good, real good, real good feeling. Oh my luck. I got a real good feeling I can finally trust. It's like the whole sky opened up.
Ayan guys, natapos na tayo ang tutorial. Nagbubulag ako eh. So ayan kaibigan natin maganda po otas. So hanapin natin yung mga tropa kung saan namimingwit. Ikutan muna natin sa Tagalog kung ayan guys, so punta kayo dito sa Tagalog, maganda rito. Napaka tahimik. Ayan. Ito si pro natin. Bike check nga pala tayo muna, bike check. Santa Cruz 26er. Ayan. At dala naman ang kaibigan natin ay Suzuki big bike. Go guys. Layo. Yes. Ang pinakamalapit na hagis. Magtubig. Yun, yung ano ko, pataw. Lapit na ng hagis ko, sumabit na nga ako sa water wheel kanina dito. Laban, laban. Meron yan. Dito tayo sa grid-grid. Yun no, breakfast bago ang huli oh. Ayun mga katoto oh, breakfast muna. Ay, pag ano kasi katong ano, kailangan magbaho ng kanin guys. Pagka mamimingwit kayo, aabutin din natin na tagal maghintay niyan. So kailangan may baon. Tulad niya, may baon. So i-set up ko muna yung pahay natin kasi hindi pa ito nagupit eh. Gupitin ko pa. Nakakahuli kaya ito, gaganda na nila. Huwag laruan din eh. Ano mo kasi ito kasi ako matanda. Jump set. Oh. Special. Dito lang sa tabi ah. Dito dito. Vamos pre. So set up natin muna natin. Dito lang sa tabi meron na bumula oh. Bumula dito. Kapag bumula isda yan. Kain nila kilo. Naan daw mabango eh. Baka maamoy naman.
Hindi makagis yun sa akin, sira yung roller. Hindi ubra. Mahulog pa yan dyan.
Pati magis.
Sira yung roller eh.
Ditch the high rise.
Hindi mo tinesting?
Let's get
Dito lang ako, pwede dyan, ganyan lang. Hindi pwede malayo.
blue sky.
Yan lang. Hindi ka
Where
malaki.
the state
Huling ko.
lies. Here we go, out the door to the wild. Never know what we'll find. You and me, running free by the mile. Gotta go, can't know if you don't try. Catch the sunrise, fire's burning so bright. Dancing in the moonlight, and you and I could take the night. Here we go, out the door to the wild. Never know what we'll find. You and me, running free by the mile. Gotta go, can't know if you don't try.
Parang nandyan lang ang tawa.
Here we go, out the door to the wild. Never know what we'll find. You and me, running free by the mile. Gotta go, can't know if you don't try. Here we go, out the door to the wild. Never know what we'll find. You and me, running free by the mile. Gotta go, can't know if you don't try. Here we go, out the door to the wild. Never know what we'll find. You and me, running free by the mile. Gotta go, can't know if you don't try.
I wanna be with you down by the water. We're dancing as the sun goes down on the coast of California. I'm cuckoo for you, cuckoo. When I dream of you, slow motion. We're moving at the speed of light. Who cares just where we're going? I'm cuckoo for you.
Buhay nga kagad eh.
I'm watching the sunset on you. Now you're looking at me, look at my back at you.
Hindi na please, ang rapta mo.
I wanna be with you and you only. And watch the sun go down in this part of town with you right next to me. I'm cuckoo,
Dito pa meron.
cuckoo for you, cuckoo. I wanna spend my days with you, take the bad ones too. But how bad could it be if I'm gonna be right next to you? I'm cuckoo, so cuckoo.
Dito meron.
We're dancing alone.
Siyempre yan eh. Adjust mo pa yung palutang mo pre, masyadong mababaw.
Sun rolls over the valley for the first time in a while. It feels like a new dawn is breaking, and I'm free to laugh like a child. Is this what it feels like to be right where you're meant to be? This is a new beginning. Yeah, this is just a start. We won't forget this feeling, but wait for the best part. It's like the world resumed turning, like everything's gonna change, and we can stop all the yearning and just exist in today. Is this what it feels like to be right on time? It's a new beginning. Yeah, this is just the start. We won't forget this feeling, but wait for the best part. It's a new beginning. Whoa. New dawn is breaking. Take a look at the world we're making. I think we're finally waking up. These are the moments we live for, where stars and planets align. And it can't last for forever, but I think the future looks bright. This is a new beginning, yeah. This is just the start. We won't forget this feeling, but wait for the best part. This is a new beginning, yeah. This is just the start. We won't forget this feeling, but wait for the best part. It's a new beginning. Oh, yeah. New dawn is breaking. Take a look at the world we're making. I think we're finally waking up. I'll take your hand when you're
Bulbul ako pre.
feeling down.
Wala kasi screwdriver ko, may screwdriver ka pala natin. May screwdriver ka ba yan?
You find me. Knocking on your door, I was afraid of the dark till I found my spot. I'll be yours
Ate, wag na.
like I never was before. I'm just better with you.
Iutol mo kayo sa'yo.
I'm just better with you.
Ako sa tansi ko.
Maybe write you a song, some way to remember.
You're an angel, you're a vision from above. I
I'm just better with you. I'm just better with you. I'm just better with you. Don't stop, lifting me up. All I needed was a little more invincible. Don't stop, lifting me up. All I needed was a little more invincible. Don't stop, lifting me up. All I needed was a little more invincible. Don't stop, lifting me up. All I needed was your invincible love. I'm just better with you. 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 In my head, in my arms, I can't shake the feeling. Put my hand on my heart, I won't let go. You're my light through the dark, you keep me believing. Thanking my lucky stars everywhere I go. A little bit of love makes it feel right. Little bit of love waking me up, making the sunshine. Little bit of love from up above, taking me so high. Little bit of love, can't get enough. Won't you be mine? Little bit of love. Little bit of love. Fireworks in my chest every time I see you. Steal my breath, I forget everything I know. Oh, it's true what they say. Love is like a fever, burning me up, turning me red, knock me off my toes. 'Cause what I need most is a little bit of love makes it feel right. Little bit of love waking me up, making the sunshine. Little bit of love from up above, taking me so high. Little bit of love, can't get enough. Won't you be mine? Little bit of love. Little bit of
Fix mo na lang.
little bit. Little bit. So clear to see it. Little bit. When it's you and me. Little bit. So clear to see it. Little bit of love makes it feel right. Little bit of love waking me up, making the sunshine. A little bit of love from up above, taking me so high. Little bit of love.
Ayan, huli na naman si Kuya.
Won't you be mine? Little bit of love
Galing.
makes it
Ah.
feel right. Little bit of love
Kaya nga eh.
me up, making the sunshine. Little bit of love from up above, taking me so high. Little bit of love, can't get
Kami,
enough. Won't you be
zero.
mine?
Eh. Tsaga-tsaga lang.
Ayan guys, nakahuli si Kuya. Oh. Laki niyan. Tapla. Ulam na, yan talaga pang ulam. Galing oh.
Lost in distant history, miss shooting stars, jumping on the dashboard.
Jackpot si kuya guys.
So I still got what I would have asked for.
Tulahan.
Beneath the northern light.
Si kuya. So guys, nakakuha si kuya ng gandang huli.